Maryam, a bright and hardworking seventh grader, always excelled in class. But she had a problem. She was painfully shy. Her voice held a sweet melody, yet she never spoke aloud, even when the teacher called on her. Instead, bowing her head, a school oratory competition was announced. Every student prepared, but Maryam doubted she could ever stand on stage and speak. Her friend Eliza encouraged her. "Maryam, your voice is beautiful. If you just try, everyone will admire you." But Maryam feared ridicule. At home, she practiced in front of the mirror, but her courage failed her. That night, she had a strange dream. She stood in a large hall, hundreds of people listening. As she began to speak, silence fell. Everyone was captivated by the magical charm of her voice. When she finished, thunderous applause erupted. Maryam woke up startled. The dream ignited hope. The next day, she decided to participate in the competition. Competition day arrived. As Maryam climbed the stage, her hands trembled. But as she began to speak, the audience was mesmerized. Her speech touched hearts. When the results were announced, Maryam was the winner. Her shyness didn't vanish completely.